In this episode of I Tried It, we're going to test this side hustle that claims that we can make $19 every 30 minutes with this new CPA method. I'm going to go over what the original content creator says that we need to do, why this may or may not work for you, and then my results. So if you've seen the original video and you wonder if this is going to work, make sure you watch this entire video. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt, and I teach platform-proof monetization. I show you step-by-step how to make money online without relying on social media ad platforms or the ever-changing algorithms. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at this video that claims that we can make $19 for free every 30 minutes. So what they want you to do is actually pretty easy. They want you to go to this website that offers CPA, or cost per action, or cost per acquisition. You are going to sign up with a free account, and then you're simply going to make blog posts and you're going to put them in various places. Now, you're going to use the help of AI to actually help create these blog posts fast and easy, and then money should just fall into your bank account. That is the gist of what we're going to do. Let me jump into my computer and I'm going to show you a few examples of what they want us to do. As you can see here, they want us to go over to this website called CPA Lead. It is a free website, and CPA stands for cost per action or cost per acquisition. Basically, what websites like this want you to do is they want to pay you for having people enter in their name or their email or simply their phone number, and then they follow up and you get the money. Usually with a CPA offer, the payout is usually really low, maybe $1 or $2 per customer, but it's a really simple way to get into affiliate marketing without having to actually make a sale. The users literally just need to enter in something as simple as their name, their phone number, or in this case, because we're using social media and games like Fortnite, they might even just need to enter in their video game handle. And then we will use the help of this website called SEOwriting.ai. You're simply going to make blog posts. The great thing with SEOwriting.ai is it's really simple. You just put in a few different things, you answer some questions, and it spits out a completed blog post. The final step is you take these blog posts and you put them in two different sites. You can put them in Medium, which is a pretty common place to just throw out different things and hope and wish and pray. Or another website that he mentioned that I had never heard of before is called TapTap. Now, in order to make money with this offer, you need to embed your affiliate links. As you can see here, I put a few different affiliate links so that when people click and they sign up, I can get paid. Now that's the process, is as easy and simple as it is. Now let's get into a few reasons why this may not work. This is going to be really, really competitive. Okay. Blogging is great. However, you do need to understand keyword research, SEO optimization, and blogging usually can take time to start seeing some results, especially with a website like Medium where they're getting hundreds, if not thousands, of blog posts every single day. It can be difficult to get discovered. The only way, or the way that the original content creator mentions that we should get discovered, is through organic searches. So you have to rely on users searching different ways to earn money or earn XP on Fortnite in this instance, in order for you to make money. If you have a following on social media and your following is in the gaming niche, you could also send your link out that way. But if it isn't, it's going to be a challenge in order to get some of these offers to work. Essentially, you're also kind of just spamming your blog post. Google scrapes the entire web daily, multiple times per day. And if they see the exact same title on two different blog posts, they're going to assume it's spam. And so you're going to have a challenge getting your blog post discovered on Google and other social media sites, because they're going to see the exact same title and they're going to see the exact same blog post on multiple different websites. The other issue too is that users are going to be a little bit skeptical. Unless they know, like, and trust you, they're not just going to click on random links. So these are all issues that you're going to potentially run into when you try and go with this method. Now, before we go, I just want to reveal why I make these videos. If you notice, I have a number of these videos on my channel, and I make these videos for the person that wants to try and make money online, but feel like they're running into roadblock after roadblock. Oftentimes when people try and make money online, they go for the fast method first. They go for fast and easy, and oftentimes fast and easy takes longer than the regular tried and true method. I know that when I first got started trying to make money online, it was back a few years ago when we learned that we were going to have twins. And I needed fast and easy ways to make money and pay for diapers and more food and clothes and things of that nature. And so I started looking at videos like this that promise that we could make $19 every 30 minutes. If we could make $19 every 30 minutes, that obviously would come out to about $38 an hour. Who wouldn't want to do this and make $38 an hour? And I could make videos like this or make blog posts like this and do it for 24 hours a day. We're looking at literally thousands of dollars per day, week, and making a full-time income per year with writing blog posts that I didn't even write and just put them on the internet. Writing blog posts can work, and I've made money writing blog posts. You have to be a little bit more strategic than what the original content creator is telling you to do. I assure you that any blog that's successful, they do what's called keyword research. They go out there and they figure out what their target audience is actually searching for. They figure out the questions that people are asking, and they create content to solve those problems. So that's why I make these videos, to let you know that if you're running into hurdles and roadblocks, it's not necessarily you. It might be the methods that you're trying. You're trying to shortcut the process, and the process really can't be shortcutted. So let's go ahead, after that little side quest, let's go ahead and get into how much I made. As you can see, I uploaded this blog post 4 days ago. I use both Medium and TapTap. And if we go over to CPA Lead and we scroll up here, my earnings for today, 0, yesterday, 0, month, 0, all time 0. So if you're running into problems with this method, trying to get this method to work, it isn't necessarily you. If you aren't in the gaming niche, if you don't have a background in gaming and you don't know anything about gaming or Fortnite, you're not going to know what a good blog post is. You're not going to know if this is relevant or is going to resonate with the target audience. What I would encourage you to do is I would encourage you to identify a niche that you have some knowledge and experience in. This can be something like your hobbies, interests, passion, or even what you do at work all day. Once you identify your niche, you simply would identify the way that you're going to create content. You can create video content, you can start a blog. Just know that depending on the method that you choose, it can take longer to see success. Let's say you decide to write a blog. Next, you need to go out and figure out the questions that people are actually asking, and then create helpful content that solves that problem. Blogging still works. Blogging still gets tons of traffic every single day. You just have to go about it the right way. And unfortunately, most people don't. And so that's why they struggle to see results. Once you have a list of keywords, you got to start writing. I'd recommend trying to write one blog post every single day in order to start getting traction. In general, it takes maybe 3 to 6 months for new blog posts to start showing up on Google. One way to accelerate that is to start using something like Pinterest and link your Pinterest pins to new blog posts so that you can start getting a little bit of traction. I'd also recommend that you start a YouTube channel and you make YouTube videos based on the same keywords and then embed those YouTube videos onto your blog. It's a lot of work, but if you want to make $19 every 30 minutes, you have to be willing to put in that work. You can also hire people to do things like create Pinterest pins for you or even use AI. But if you want something that is going to be truly life-changing, it isn't going to be this quick fix shortcut method. It is going to be putting in consistency and persistence over a sustained period of time in order to get the level of success that you're looking for. So if this method didn't work for you, it isn't you, it's the method. There is really no way that you could make $19 every 30 minutes for free by writing blog posts that aren't really keyword optimized. Now that you know that this method won't work for you, watch this video if you want to learn how to monetize your YouTube channel in just 2 days.